The Smeg soda maker is a stylish and practical way to enjoy carbonated water at home. In this video, we'll guide you through how to get the most out of it, from setting it up correctly, choosing your desired fizz level, and adding flavour. To get the best results, it's important to follow a few simple steps. Firstly, ensure you're using cold water. Carbonating cold water creates better, longer-lasting bubbles and holds the carbonation much longer than warm or room temperature water. Next, make sure to fill the bottle up with water to the max line to ensure the carbonation process works efficiently without overpressurising the bottle. If the bottle is filled too low, the carbonation won't distribute evenly, and if you fill it too high, you risk overflowing during carbonation. Now to fizz the water. We recommend using 2 to 3 second bursts, turning the dial all the way around. 1 full burst for a light fizz and 2 for a medium. But feel free to carbonate for a little bit longer if you like your drinks extra fizzy. As your gas canister starts to run low, you may notice that the fizz isn't quite as strong. You'll just need to twist and hold the carbonation dial for slightly longer to achieve the same level of bubbles. This is a great way to gauge when it's time to replace your canister. Next, here are a few tips for when adding flavour. Never add juice, syrups or flavourings to the water before you carbonate it. Adding anything other than water to the bottle before carbonation can cause build-up and damage the internal parts of the soda maker. Once your water is carbonated, pour your chosen flavours directly into the bottle after carbonation. It's dishwasher safe, so it's nice and easy to clean. Alternatively, you can pour your water straight into the glass. It's important not to shake the carbonated water. This will cause the water to fizz over and lose bubbles. By following these simple tips, you can achieve perfect, sparkling results every time. And if you'd like some recipe ideas, please click on the videos linked in the description. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.